In which part of the Constitution are the Article 343, 351 that gives information about official language available? Part 17. In the 17th part, at present how many languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? 22. When the Constitution was adopted, how many languages were included in the 8th schedule? Initially, 14. In which year Maithili, Bodo, Dogri and Santhali were added to the 8th schedule later? 2003. In which year Sindhi was added to the 8th schedule? 1963. In which year Nepali, Konkani and Manipuri were added to the 8th schedule? 1992. Which one is the foreign language included in the 8th schedule? Nepali. Which is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? English. When was Official Language Act 1963 passed? 10/5/1963. When did the Section 3(3) of the Official Language Act take effect? 26th January 1965. When was the Official Language Act 1963 was amended? 1967. How many sections are there in the Official Language Act 1963 as amended in the year 1967? 9 sections. Name the sections of Official Language Act 1963 as amended in 1967 which are not applicable to the Jammu and Kashmir. Section 6 and 7. With which Section 7 of Official Language Act 1963 is concerned? It is concerned with optional use of Hindi or other official language in judgments in high courts. Why was the Official Language Act 1963 passed? For making provision regarding continued use of English along with Hindi even after 1965. When was resolution on official language passed by Parliament? 18/1/1968. When was official language rules passed? 1976.